Welcome to the Oddity exhibits.
And just in time for Halloween.
Well, that's kind of odd. All right, got some interesting stuff and some interesting people. All good. Lovely lady here showing off her artwork. Alright, got the Rocky Horror Picture Show, got some Matrix stuff going here. Monsters with Count Chocula or Snake Plissken. Little Beetlejuice. Very interesting stuff here. A few pufferfish.
Oh, that's neat.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's a bunch of different butterflies.
Oh, well, I mean, I'm sure these ladies didn't go out and hunt these down, so this is just stuff. I'm always making excuses, is that it? Okay, how are you ladies doing? Good. You definitely have some interesting stuff here. Alright, this is not my wife's favorite table here, I can tell you that much. So, she doesn't like anything to do with deceased animals, or insects for that matter, so. There you go. And for you folks that are into murder mystery stuff, here's the Jeffrey Dahmer Deli. Look at that. Cannibal Dahmer's Deli. Lovely. All right. Only in the West would you have this kind of stuff, huh? Yeah, this is a little more tamer, I guess. It's just like little terrarium things. Very cool, very cool. Oh, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that. I'm gonna try this peanut butter whiskey truffles. All right. Oh, you won't like it. So, no, it's very good. It's very good. You ladies don't mind if I film you, do? Is that cool? As long as I buy something, right? What do they go for? I know. What do they go? What are you charging for?
5 for 20 or 10 for 30.
Okay. 20, 10 for 30. Okay. Want to grab a truffle? It's actually pretty tasty. You want to try one? It's good. Try it.
Can I try this one?
Black raspberry. It's very. All right, hey, like that. Girl to gorillas. Some of the old Carnival show stuff. Very cool. And you gotta have a vintage shop here someplace, right? So we got a glitter and gold vintage. Magical healing crystals. Neat. Sorceries and sundries. Start to finish. There's three ladies working here. Very cool. Keychain holders. Right, gonna get the pre-owned band concert. Busted pre-owned band concert t-shirts. Alright. Alice Cooper World Tour. There you go. Alice Cooper. This is World Tour from World Tour 2015. There you go. There you go. And for all you Pantera fans right there, look at that. No tour dates on that one. Sarah McLachlan. There you go. Sarah McLachlan. And her tours, whatever year that was. There's an interesting one right there. I think I'm familiar with that band. What's that? Oh, Lorena says they smell. Salvation Army Specials, yeah. Alice in Chains, there you go. The concert dates on this, I'm always curious. They put the concert tour dates, the year they toured on the back. They show where they were performing. Oh well. Yeah, so Lorena and I always think that living in California, we have the market corner to all the zaniness in the country, but clearly Ohio's got its fair share of it too, so interesting stuff. All right, so we got a kind of a carnival show thing.
Stop. Please stop. If I fall down because I'm unconscious, please stop. I don't know to start because I'm going to start a timer. It'll count down and say pull. I'll set my hand up, and when I put my arm down, and the timer says arm, because it's going to cut off my carotid arteries, reducing blood supply to the brain, and I will pass out and probably hit my head.
It's like a carnival stunts back in the day. So he's doing a
please take your positions.
hanging
30 seconds on the clock.
thing to show that he can withstand being hung.
Begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Another set of exhibits my wife can't stand. Well, taxidermy. Got your raccoons and your deer heads. Mongoose, I guess. Skunks, chickens, interesting things to stuff. And it's all for sale. Hey, if you're interested. Of course, you got to have all the booty stuff here, right? There you go. I don't think there's nothing here. I don't think the YouTube censors will get on. Interesting artwork, huh? Okay. Oh, I'm sure they're making the rounds. It's kind of interesting. All these interesting looking. It's kind of cool. It's different. Oh, it's rubber. It's latex. Okay. Interesting. All you fans of tattoo stuff, the tattoo ticket here. It's got some occult stuff. All this interesting things here. So one of the things Lorena and I noticed when we were at the 2 days ago here in Ohio, Columbus, was the lack of people with tattoos. I mean, there were some people. I think there were more women with tattoos than there were men, but I think this is definitely where all of them are at with tattoos that weren't at the water park. They're here. Yeah. All right, gotta get the guy on stilts.
Nice. Those are yours that you made?
There you go.
Yeah.
That takes a little bit of coordination to get that.
Yeah.
That's appreciate that. He's a good. That's a good 10 foot right there.
See the wood
His stilts, yeah. Yeah, that is.
plates and drums.
Yeah. I think half of the show is watching the people. All right. Jump in there, Mom. All right. 3 monkeys. Nice. Got it.
And after the show at the convention center, we decided to go over to North Market to sample some of the great cuisine over there.
Heading to North Cape?
North Market.
North Market. There we go. So a repeat performance from our 2022 post-pandemic trip. Following our kids here to get to North Market. Actually, it's North Market right ahead of us there, where it says entrance. If you're ever looking for directions here, it's on Park and Spruce. It's North Market here. That's where we're heading to now. All right, gonna make our way in here. Check it out. See how much has changed in 3 years. Okay. You good, man? You're welcome. Smells delicious. It's the place here that's got a little bit of everything. All right, so making our way through here. Got a pizza, bud? Okay. What kind are you gonna get? Just cheese? Boring, huh? All right. It's delicious. All right, so we've got this delicious assortment of pastas. I grabbed the 3 cheese lasagna. We're going down that way. And Lorena grabbed the smoked salmon. Okay, honey, go ahead. So all looks fantastic. And the name of this place, what's the name of your establishment? Pastaria. The Pastaria. This up a little bit here, yeah. Very good. Food smells fantastic, so we're gonna get this to go. 2 gentlemen working hard in the back.
Probably did in Charlotte, but
All right, this is the end result, the 3 cheese pasta, swimming in sauce. And what'd you get? What is this? This is the salmon. This is the salmon with bow tie pasta.
Gail and Ashley.
And what's my lovely granddaughter got? She's got her and her faux. Man over here is doing the pizza. And my other lovely young lady's doing another pho with boba.